Assalamualaikum dan selamat pagi. Aura Week 8 Chapter 7 Question 1 and Question 2. Okay, for question 1, calculate the gravitational force. So the keyword is force. The symbol is Fg. Between the moon and the earth separated at a distance 38400 kilometer. So this is the distance. The mass and the moon are 5.98 times 10 to the power of 24. So this is M, Earth, and 7.35 times 10 to the power of 22 kilograms. So this is mass for moon lah. So how to calculate the gravitational force? Okay, first of all, moon and earth. So direction for gravitational force on earth, okay, due to the moon is to the right, and direction gravitational force on the moon due to the earth is to the left. So from the center to the earth until to the right is radius. So question give info from here until here. Okay, the distance is R equal to 384,000 kilometer. So we use formula Fg equal to Gm Earth times moon divided by R squared. Okay, R must be start from the center of the earth to the center of the moon. So G equal to gravitational constant 6.67 times 10 to the power of negative 11. Mass earth 5.98 kali 10 kuasa 24. Mass moon 7.35 kali 10 kuasa 22. Bahagikan dengan R. R measure in meter. Okay, 0.00000 and square. Okay, R in meter. So the answer equal to 1.99 times 10 to the power of 20 Newton. Okay. For question 2, calculate the acceleration of Earth's gravity. So the keyword is acceleration. So the symbol is A, G, at a distance 500 km above the Earth's surface. So above the Earth's surface, we call altitude. So the symbol is H. Okay, the radius and the mass of Earth are 6.4 times 10 to the power of 6. So this is radius Earth, RE, and 5.98 times 10 to the power of 24 kilograms. So this is mass Earth, respectively. So how to find the acceleration of Earth's gravity? So we use equation Ag equal to Gm Earth over R squared. Okay, so Gm Earth divided by radius of Earth plus altitude, because the distance from this point to this point is R equal to R Earth plus H. Don't forget squared. So 6.67 times 10 to the power of negative 11 times 5.98 times 10 to the power of 24 kilogram divided by 6.4 times 10 to the power of 6, okay, plus 500 kilometer, measure in meter and don't forget squared. So the answer is 8.38 ms negative 2 or Newton per kilogram. Okay, for question 3, a 4 kilogram mass, so the symbol is M, is placed at a point of altitude, symbol is H, 0.5 times the radius of the Earth. Calculate the gravitational field strength, so the keyword is strength. We want to find Ag. B, the gravitational potential energy, so keyword is energy, U lah. So let's say this is Earth. Okay, the distance from the Earth to the surface is R. And let's say this point is A, and the distance from the surface to point A is 0.5 R. So at point A, okay, mass of the object equal to 4 kilogram. So automatically the distance from center of the Earth to point R is R. R equal to R Earth plus 0.5 R equal to 1.5 R. So this is equal to altitude lah. Okay, for question A, gravitational field strength Ag equal to Gm over R squared. Okay, so Gm divided by 1.5 times radius of Earth. Okay, 6.67 times 10 to the power of negative 11 times mass of Earth, 5.98 times 10 to the power of 24 divided by 1.5 times 1.5 times 6.4 times 10 to the power of 6 squared. So the answer equal to 4.33 ms negative 2 lah, or Newton per kilogram. For question B, gravitational potential energy U equal to G m Earth times M divided by R. Okay, so negative G m Earth times mass divided by 1.5 R Earth. Okay, so negative 6.67 times 10 to the power of negative 11 times 5.98 times 10 to the power of 24, mass 4 kilogram. So divided by 1.5 times 6.4 times 10 to the power of 6. So the answer equal to negative 166.19 times 10 to the power of 6 joule. So this is the answer in joule unit lah. Okay, this is answer for acceleration. Remember ya class, negative is always put negative sign. Okay, next question. A 1500 kilogram, so this is mass satellite, is in orbit, so the dotted line is orbital lah. Okay, for 50 kilometer above, so this is altitude. Okay, the altitude is from the surface to the object lah, H. Calculate the speed of the satellite, so we want to calculate V, period, and radial acceleration, so AC lah. For speed, we must use formula V satellite, okay, square root Gm Earth, okay, divided by R, so Gm Earth, Okay, r plus h square root, okay, 6.67 times 10 to the power of negative 11 measure 5.98 times 10 to the power of 24, okay, divided by r earth 6.4 times 10 to the power of 6 plus 4.5 times 10 to the power of 5 square root. Okay, so the distance is from the center to the object is r equal to r plus h. So this equal to r. Okay, so the answer equal to 7.63 times 10 to the power of 3 meter per second. Okay, next question. Period of the satellite. Period is time taken to complete one cycle lah. So what is the period of satellite? So we use equation 2 pi square root r cos theta over gm. Okay, seperti biasa r tu ialah hasil radius of earth tambah altitude bahagi gm earth. So t equal to 2 pi square root 6.4 times 10 to the power of 6 plus 454,000, make sure in meter, divided by 6.67 times 10 to the power of negative 11 times 5.98 times 10 to the power of 24 and square root. So the answer equal to 5.64 times 10 to the power of 3 second. Okay, for radial acceleration, because the satellite move in circular motion, so its centripetal acceleration equal to v squared divided by r. So v squared divided by r earth plus h squared. No. R plus h only. Okay, so v equal to 7.63 times 10 to the power of 3 k squared divided by 6.4 times 10 to the power of 6 plus 450,000 k in bracket. So the answer equal to 8.50 ms negative 2 towards the center of the earth. Okay, last question. A certain spherical shaped asteroid has mass 7 times 10 to the power of 20. Okay, so this is mass asteroid lah, MA, and radius 190 kilometer. So this is radius of asteroid. Calculate the escape velocity from the surface of the asteroid. So V equal to square root 2g m asteroid divided by radius asteroid lah. So equal to square root 6.67 times 10 to the power of negative 11 times 7 times 10 to the power of 20 divided by radius 190,000, make sure in meter, and square root. So the answer is 701.01 meter per second.